What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, this isn't going to be for absolutely everyone, but if you're someone looking for this guide, you've found it. I'll be showing you how you can redeem your 100,000, 1 million and above play buttons from YouTube. To begin, you actually need to be eligible. For this, you'll need 100,000 for the silver, a million for the gold, etc, etc. We all know how this works. In the description down below, you'll find not only this claim page over here, but also a link to the eligibility page explaining exactly what you need to reach in order to get this award in the first place. When you come across to this page, you can click yes, this is correct, assuming you're signed in with the correct account, and simply put in your channel address over here, either the custom URL, as in mine, Troubleshoot, or whatever the UC, etc. ID of it is. Upon clicking continue, you'll either receive a redemption code, which you should also be emailed, or you'll see something about not currently eligible, sorry you can't get it just yet. But as you can see, I'm currently eligible for my silver play button, and I'm given a redemption code over here. All I need to do is click redeem my award, which will also be linked down below, and I'll copy and paste my redemption code in here, then click redeem award. When I've done so, you'll need to enter your channel name, make sure that this is correct as this will be what's printed on the actual plaque itself, presented to Troubleshoot for passing 100,000 subscribers. Of course, this will be your channel name, not mine. Triple, quadruple check, and when you're done, click approve and check out. Now, when you've placed the order, it's not possible to alter any elements. Your selection will be reviewed by the admin for merit, but cannot be changed. This is a custom product and is not eligible for cancellation or return, and as you can see, it's 000. YouTube channel name, Troubleshoot, once again, verify yours is correct. The email address doesn't need to be your account's email, this is just where they're sending the order confirmation. I'll put Troubleshoot. Country, obviously select where this is going to be delivered. And of course, enter a valid street address. English is required for shipping purposes. Please note that the recipient first and last name should match the creator's legal name. So I'll go ahead and fill this in and then click next when I'm done here. Upon clicking next, you see review and payments, but of course there's nothing to do here. Simply click place order. And there we go. Thank you for your order. Your order number is whatever it is. We'll email you an order confirmation with your order details. Once your order ships, you'll receive a shipment confirmation with your tracking info as well. That's really about it. So I'll see you again in just a second with my actual creator award. Today is Monday, the 21st of March, 2022, and we'll see when this actually arrives. According to YouTube, it should arrive within 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll see you again just now. And there she is. Now we have it here in the good old black YouTube box. Opening it up and taking off the cover, you'll see that you get everything that you'd expect. A congratulations letter, a little note talking about who actually checked this package, and of course the actual subscriber button itself, this plaque here, presented to Troubleshoot for passing 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, that's really it for this video. Obviously this isn't going to be for everyone, but if you're expecting a creator reward, well congratulations, you now know how to get it, and the whole process of it from beginning to end. Obviously, besides reaching 100k subscribers, 1 million, or whatever you're aiming for. That's really about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. My name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!